What is up guys, welcome back to a brand new video by M.R.H channel. I hope you all be doing great, and if not then you must after watching this video. So I am making this video in result of a response that I got on my last video that was related to a product review. Maybe that product was Audionic Airbuds A2 or Audionic Airbuds 2. I don't remember the exact model. So today's product is also from the same brand, that is Audionic Airbuds A-20. So guys, without wasting any time, let's jump straight into this product's review. Alright guys, so this over here is the Audionic Airbuds A-20 box. I would just quickly unwrap this and take the earbuds out of its box. Now I will just pull this out. It's stuck in there. I will just quickly pull this out. I don't know why it's stuck. Let me push it from here. Okay, so here it comes. Audionic A-20 true wireless earbuds with HD sound. Once again, so these are my white Audionic Airbuds A-20. Here is its white case. Just have closer look into this. Opening sideways. That's not as nice experience as the AirPods popping experience, but well, we will put this aside. And this is the left earpiece, this is the right one, and this over here is a box with some more accessories. Let's have a look inside this. We have a warranty card and some earpieces. Alright, so these are an extra 2 pair of earbuds, and this over here is an ear warranty card for the Audionics earbuds. The earbuds themselves look super premium and are really made out of premium solid plastic and rubber. You can see that mesh inside also looks very premium. If we talk about the battery timing of these earbuds, the earpieces can last up to 3 to 4 hours, whereas the charging case can charge the earbuds up to 3 or 4 or 5 times. When the earbuds are charging, the white light inside the earbuds starts to lit, and when they are fully charged, a green light turns on instead of this white light, as you can see over here. On the top of the Audionic Airbuds A-20 case, we can see this elliptical grip provided so that we can easily slide the cover. On this side we can see an LED indicator for the battery, and on the bottom we have the serial number and model number mentioned, and on this side we have a mini USB charging port. This is a leather hook so that we can easily hook it up with our pants. So guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for further videos. And again saying, if you want to purchase this product, the link to this will be in the description. Bye bye.